Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel Engineering Network. I am back with another interesting topic. So in today's video, I will be talking about how to calculate the cost of step footing in Excel. Now this is basically the second part of the bill of quantity of step footing in Excel. And if you haven't watched the first part of the bill of quantity, then kindly watch it on my channel. You will also find the link in the description of this video as well. And also let me know in the comment section if you want me to make more videos on bill of quantity or not. So in today's video, I will be talking about how to calculate the cost of step footing in Excel. So if you find this video informative, then please like this video, share it, and if you are new to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button. And also don't forget to press the bell icon for more civil engineering videos. Okay, so in today's video, I will be talking about how to calculate the cost of stepped footing in Excel. Now in the first part of this video, I have briefly explained how to calculate the quantities of cement, sand and aggregate for a stepped footing in Excel. And also I have prepared a bill of quantity for a stepped footing as well. Now as you can see, this is the bill of quantity of a stepped footing that I have prepared in my last video. Okay. So let's complete this bill of quantity now. So here I will select this row from here up to here. And then I will click on the merge and center. Okay. Now after that I will write here cost of stepped footing. Then I have to make a template for it. So here I will write serial number. Then here I will write description. Then here I will write unit rate per bag. Here I will write unit rate per CFT. Then here I will write total cost. And at last here I will write unit. Okay. So first here in the serial number I will write 1. Then in the description I will write cement. Now let's say that the price of one cement bag is 450 rupees. Okay. So here in the unit rate per bag I will write 450. Now I have to find out the cost of cement bags. And I have already find out in the first part of the bill of quantity that for this particular step footing, I will need 11 number of cement bags. Okay. So here I will put equal. And then I will multiply unit rate per bag, which is 450 rupees, with the total number of cement bags, which is 11. And the total cost of 11 cement bags will be equal to 4,950 rupees. Okay. So the total cost of 11 cement bags is 4,950 rupees. Next is I have to calculate the cost for sand. So for that, here in serial number I will write 2. Then in the description I will write sand. Now to calculate the cost of sand, I will need the unit rate of sand per cubic feet, which means that what are the market price of 1 cubic feet sand, or what are the suppliers of sand charging for 1 cubic feet of sand. Okay. So let's say that the unit rate of sand per cubic feet is 120 rupees. And also I have the total quantity of sand as well, which I have already calculated in the first part of the bill of quantity. Okay. So the total cost of sand is equal to unit rate of sand per cubic feet, which is 120 rupees, multiplied by the total quantity of sand. And it will become 2,436.75 rupees. So the total cost of sand is 2,436.75 rupees. Next is I have to calculate the cost for aggregate. So in serial number I will write 3. Then in the description I will write aggregate. Now to calculate the cost for aggregate, I will need the unit rate of aggregate per cubic feet, which means that how much the supplier is charging for 1 cubic feet of aggregate. Okay? So let's say that the unit rate of aggregate per 1 cubic feet is 180 rupees. And also I already calculate the total quantity of aggregate as well. So the cost of aggregate is equal to unit rate of aggregate per 1 cubic feet, which is 180 rupees, multiplied by the total quantity of aggregate, and it will become 7,310.25 rupees. So the total cost of coarse aggregate is equal to 7,310.25 rupees. Next is I have to calculate the labor cost. So in serial number I will write 4. Then in the description I will write labor cost. Now to calculate the labor cost, I will need the unit rate of labor per cubic feet, which means that how much laborers are charging for 1 cubic feet of work. Okay? So let's say that the unit rate of labor per cubic feet is 120 rupees. And also in order to calculate the cost of labor, I will need the total wet volume of the stepped footing. And I have already find out the total wet volume of the stepped footing. Okay? So the total cost of labor is equal to unit rate of labor per cubic feet, which is 120 rupees, multiplied by the total wet volume of the stepped footing, and it will become 5,737.5 rupees. So the total cost of labor is 5,737.5 rupees. Now remember here that the unit rate that I have selected for this particular stepped footing are just my assumptions, okay? And it can increase or decrease as per your requirement. So you should know the unit rate of each material, which is cement, sand and coarse aggregate, and also the labor cost that has been used in the construction of your concrete member. Okay? Here I am just giving you an idea that how you can easily calculate the cost of cement, sand, aggregate and also the labor cost, right? Now I have the cost of each material like cement, sand, aggregate and also the labor cost. But I need the total cost for this stepped footing. Okay? So now I have to calculate the total cost, and it's very simple and easy. So here I will write total cost, and then here I will put the equal sign, and after that I will add all the costs of each material, which is cement, sand, aggregate and also the labor cost, and the total cost will become 20,434.5 rupees. So the total cost for this particular stepped footing is 20,434.5 rupees. Okay? So this is how you can easily calculate the cost of a stepped footing in Excel, and that is the complete bill of quantity for this particular stepped footing. Now if you want more videos on bill of quantity, like if you want me to make a complete bill of quantity for a room or for a complete house, then let me know in the comment section. So if you find this video informative, then please like this video, share it, and if you are new to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will never miss a notification whenever I upload a new video. See you in the next video.